Hey guys, sorry I look like crap, but oh my gosh. In my last video, I did a thing where I tried to do like the color wheel method to try and get all the green out, and for the most part it worked, but there's just like spots like here and here that it just didn't take, and the pink is just, it's messy. I can't leave it like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put the red on. I did a test strand right here and it had some of the dark green area and it actually covered it pretty well. I mean, it looks way better than like this stuff. I've got like peachy tones and then a random pink splot and just, I don't know. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to finally dye my hair this Arctic Fox Poison, there's hair, red hair. So I am honestly, I'm just going to slap this on and hope for the best. Hope it covers up those like really dark spots. I think it'll be okay. I think it'll look a lot better than it does now. And then I'll throw on some makeup afterwards. It's been such a long day and I have plans tomorrow and I do not plan on going out looking like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get started. So I hope you enjoy.
It won't go away. I've got that feeling rushing through my body. I know that it is here to stay. It's like you're my personal Illuminati. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna bite. I got my hands on your body, so tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty, because there ain't nobody love you like I do, 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 you're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush. People say, people say, people say I'm going crazy for you, baby. Don't know how you're making me feel this way. What can I say? That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush.
Okay guys, so as you can see, this is my hair. It is Poison Red from Arctic Fox, and I love it. I'm so glad it turned out. I'm so glad that I put this over the pink and just did away with that. That was completely my bad. If you guys watched the video before this where I tried to do that thing, I don't know if it helped. I don't know if it did anything, but I mean, I'm human. I mess up. But I am so happy with this. It was a process going from green to red, but I think it was completely worth it. I'm so happy with it. This is one of those colors that I absolutely love doing. Like, I don't know. Oh, I got it. I got lipstick in my teeth. Of course. So if you guys do not already, please don't forget to follow my social media. I leave all my links in the description box below. I actually did a poll or something last time where I wasn't sure if I wanted to go green first or red first because they were both, they're both really pretty colors. And I am so indecisive that, you know, I'll try and decide what color I want, and then if I can't decide, I like to throw a poll out there and let you guys decide for me. Regardless, I'll end up doing both colors or every color. I just don't know which one to do next. Of course, I'm gonna let this fade out. This color has already been in my hair for 2 weeks. My life is just completely crazy. So, you know, you can see my sides are buzzed. They're not red anymore, but you know, I have not washed my hair yet. I used some dry shampoo, and I know it's disgusting, but I didn't want to wash out any of the color. So yeah, hopefully I'll be washing my hair tonight. But I'm in love. I love it. I hope this color lasts for a while. I'm gonna probably get some like red shampoo and conditioner and just hope that it'll stay in. But I hope these videos were helpful with, you know, me trying to remove the green, doing the nasty ketchup and the dish soap and bleach baths and all that for anybody else that's trying to get these colors out. It does take a while, but I mean, it's better to go through like processes that take a while rather than always do something quick and then have your hair fry or break off. My hair products that I use help tremendously. If you guys are interested in any of those, I will leave a quiz down below, or you can shoot me a comment, you can shoot me your email, you can message me on Instagram, and I can give you more information about that. But I'm so excited. Like, I love it. I love it so much. And honestly, it makes me, I don't know. If I give myself a nickname, it would probably be, I don't know, I kind of look like a villain. Kind of like it. Oh, I'm just so happy, you guys. All right. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed these videos and this video. If you have not already, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel, and I would appreciate it greatly. I have so much fun not only dyeing my hair, but just showing the process of it, even the mistakes. Like this, it's so much fun to me. It's my hobby. So thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you for my next video. Bye!
I got my hands on your body, so tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty.